Turn to page 2 and follow along in your book.
A, apple. Apple. B, bog. Bog. C, cat. Cat. D, dog. Dog. E, egg. F, fan. G, gum. H, hat.
Turn to page 4, the page with the 4 in the circle at the top.
I, igloo. J, jet. K, kid. L, walk. M, mug. N, nut. O, octopus. Octopus. P, pig.
Turn to page 6, the page with the 6 in the circle at the top.
Q,
It's usually followed by U, as in quilt.
quilt. R, rat. S, sun. T, top. U, a brother. V, van. W, well. X, by the end of the word, fox.
Turn to page 8, the page with the 8 in the circle at the top.
Y, yak. Z, zoo.
Close your book. Let's play a game. See if you can say the sound of each letter before you hear the answer.